All right, today I'm going to show you how to bake a potato, whatever you want to call it, in the microwave. The first thing that you're going to need is a potato. Absolute goodness. So what I'm going to do is, I have this potato, but I'm going to wash this first under water and then proceed with my steps. Absolute goodness. So I'm just going to wash the potato. Wash it well because there could be stuff on there. You just want to wash it really well. If there's dirt on it, you want to get it off. Any of the bad stuff. Get it going like this. After you washed it, gonna shake it off. Shake it off, and then move to the next step. Absolute goodness. All right, with this step, you're going to take a fork or a butter knife and just simply poke some holes in here, just like this. Be careful because forks can be sharp and dangerous. Absolute goodness. All right, so I'm gonna fork this up a little bit. All right, so doing this allows the potato to aerate when you're cooking it. Absolute goodness. Now, once you poke some holes in this, we're gonna put it in the microwave for 5 minutes. Let's go do that. I'm gonna place it in a paper towel and pick it up like this and then bring it towards the microwave. Place it in the microwave. The paper towel is important because when the potato is done, you're not going to want to touch the hot potato. So the potato is inside of the microwave. Then I'm gonna come over here and then set it for 5 minutes for one potato. All right, after it's ended, it's done, I'm gonna check the potato. It's in the microwave. I'm gonna take the paper towel and I'm gonna pick the paper towel up like this because the potato is hot, all right? Now, I do not want to burnerate myself. And I'm gonna place it onto the plate like that. Look at that. Look at the potato. I'm about to slice it up and put some Indian chili on this. Absolute goodness, all right? So I'm gonna take the potato. Be careful because it is hot. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my knife, slice it down the middle, like that. And what I tend to do is with the potato, I tend to push it together at both ends. Be careful because it will be extremely hot. You may burn yourself if you're not careful. All right, and then I'm gonna take the knife and then slice-rate it up in here a little bit, like this. And this is just to get to more of the potato, get more surface area. Now you could do stuff like some people put pepper and salt on here along with some butter. But I'm just gonna put my Indian chili on top of this, like this. I'm gonna take my Indian chili, look at that. Indian chili, absolute goodness. All right, and then just pour the Indian chili on top of it like that. Absolute good. Look at that. Look at that. Indian chili on top of the potato. Look at that. There's only one thing I can say about this. Absolute goodness, if you ask me. Absolute goodness.